Good morning, dear students, respected faculty members, and esteemed guests and dignitaries. We are yet here again for another session on Technology Entrepreneurship Development Program. I would like to invite our speaker for today, Dr. Garima Agarwal, who is a PhD in Management and MPhil in Management and Postgraduate Diploma in Management and Diploma in Export Management, and has Masters of Marketing Management with degree in Education, with over 15 years of experience in industry, academics, and research. Before being the part of Amity family, she was a major role player with the Ministry of MSME, NISBUD, and she undertook projects of Ministry of Defense, where she trained senior defense personnel of Army, Navy, and Air Force on retail management, entrepreneurship development, and associated schemes. For National Skill Development Corporation, she trained the people on business growth, success, failures, and mitigation remedies. She has also worked with Jamia Millia Islamia University, Delhi as a trainer for Center for Innovation and Entrepreneurship program. Currently, Dr. Garima Agarwal is with Amity University as a part of Amity Center of Entrepreneurship Development, where she is managing the University Entrepreneurship Cell, mentoring and guiding students about entrepreneurship in their respective fields. She has delivered lectures on exports, creativity and innovation, small business management, social entrepreneurship, emerging markets, and understanding of government policies and initiatives. She is having the passion to provide guidance to youth through classroom mode, personal interactions, and seminars on entrepreneurship orientation programs and making their dreams come true. We welcome you, Dr. Garima Agarwal, for the session on how to prepare a detailed business plan. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks for the warm welcome. And it's my pleasure to teach how to prepare a business plan for the techies. Because I tell you guys, you all are having good knowledge of your area. You are the experts. But when it comes how to showcase yourself in front of VCs or the startup venture creators or the angel investors, they ask you to pitch the idea within 60 seconds. The time which is given by them is very less, but the hard work which you do, it requires a good time. So always it is needed that your perception, your preparation should be very good in the area of how to prepare business plans so that your dreams should really come true. So that's why thank you, ma'am, for giving me this platform to guide the students how to prepare a business plan. Today I am going to highlight even small things associated with how to prepare a good business plan. So here comes, first of all, I will like to clear the doubt between three things. First is the pitch deck, second is the business plan, third is the project report. I tell you guys, these terms are sometimes sounds related to each other, but truly speaking, they are not connected largely. They are having each segment divided. Okay, when we talk about pitch deck, as I told you, less times are given. At that time, whatever you are going to pitching, it's called pitch deck. The small description about the project which you are going to undertake. Okay, which you are going to take as a startup. So it contains largely 10 to 20 slides, which is the max amount. That's why whenever we at ACED conduct any business plan competition, we ask the students to be ready just with 5 slides only. Why so? The 5 slides are going to be highlighted slides. You can have the substitute or corresponding slides afterwards. Okay, so what you have to do initially in the pitch deck, the design should be containing lots of information, and more and more it should be pictorial so that the large information should be carried out. Okay, when to share? Whenever asked by the investor. Please don't make hurry to showcase what you are having. See, if you are standing at a platform, it means you were considered as a right person to place. So please don't make hurry कि yes my turn should come, sir please 2 minutes, sir मुझे सुन लीजिए. No, that should not be attitude. You should have to be very professional and you have to pitch what you carry with you. and wait for your turn to come. Relevance. Relevance is that because whenever investor looks at you, before calling you for the interpersonal skills checking or the personal interaction or the one-to-one interactions, at that time, they also check what you have done earlier. So guys, when it comes to the pitch deck, be point to point. Just think within 60 seconds, I have to satisfy these people who have called me, because they have already invested a good time just to evaluate your idea, prototype, whatever you have submitted to them. So only the thing they want to check your interpersonal skills, how good you are to take the ideas ahead, because they are going to invest a good amount on your success. So it's much needed. Your pitch deck always be ready with lots of information. Then comes the business plan. Business plan is a detailed one, how you are going to do, which we are going to discuss at large today. So how you are planning everything, and in the business plan, every small thing should be pointed out. Likewise, if my plan is going to be unsuccessful, it can happen, because if you are not going to fail, how you will learn, how will you get the experiences? So what the strategy is ready with me. I give you one example. We all love to have that McVidget snacks. The story behind coming the McVidget snacks in the light is they have introduced first product as a aloo mash. Aloo mash used to come, the cost of aloo mash is 200 grams and the price is around 45 rupees. It was a completely failed product in India. The only reason was because we people are having the habit to boil potatoes in the quantity which can be 2 kgs sometime. Okay, so who is going to purchase that 200 grams and the price is 45 rupees? So definitely it was a complete unsuccessful product and the market was not achieved by them. So what the company did, obviously they have invested years, they have invested a lot of amount in that. Then what they did, they converted into the smileys. Okay, and now you are ready to buy those smileys at the rate of 250 rupees. See, so when you are planning, and why I have given this example, because you all are very energetic, enthusiastic people, but when failures comes, you start losing your interest, your passion, you start thinking, oh my God, why it happens to me? No, it happens with all. Only the thing you are looking at yourself. That's why it's happening. So whenever you are preparing business plan, it should be detailed. Everything should be pointed out, because nowadays market is so structured. Everything is aligned. Everything makes an impact from one to another, so you have to just wait for the same. Then comes the project report. Project report, sometime it happens because detailed plan is reached to the concerned person. So what they look for, okay, which area they are going to focus on. Okay, so big project can be divided in small phases and it can be called as a project report. What project you are going to achieve. Likewise, if I talk about L&T, so when metro work was going on, so L&T was given the work to construct the pillars. So they have given the project report just for the metro purposes. Okay, so business plan, overall scenarios, project plan with the concern of one type of business only. So please keep differentiation among pitch deck, business plan and project report. So whenever you become the part of any competition, you have to see what is asked. Okay, so this is the very first slide and I was willing and to clarify, because for the techies, the government of India is also introducing so many schemes. You people are witnessing through this program. So here comes the very first point, which is called executive summary. Whenever we meet with someone, what we notice first? Can anybody tell me, please? Fatafat say, without wasting any time, please raise your hand. What we notice first when we meet someone? A fast answer, please.
Body language.
Body looks, dress up styles. So same thing happens when we are in the industry. The executive summary is used to give the idea what the content will be. As I told you, there will be 100 pages when we are making a big business plan, industry business plan at that time. So what the investor used to do, or the people who are going to be the part of merger acquisitions, venture capitalists, angel investors, so they look for what you are providing to them. So executive summary used to give them a basis how the work will be done by these people in the future. Okay, because they are investing their money, you are having idea, they are having money, so collaboration is going to happen. So but the clarity should always be there. So it's humble request. And guys, remember one thing, no literary language is required in it. It should be very much aligned in a simple language, written in the small sentences, so that the reader can read it very easily. And each sentence should be connected with another one, so that the actual message should reach to the person. And I tell you guys, when your sentence becomes so long, let's say 2 lines are covered, it's a human nature that we used to forget the first line. So it's always better to break in small sentences, write the executive summary in a proper manner. Everything should be made clear. And what should be the part of it? First, the business concept, what you are going to talk about, financial features. And I tell you, sometimes it happens that students say we are not having any money. It's okay, nothing bad, but the planning should be there. How much money do you need? Just take an example, you are planning for a trip, you ask your parents, I need money. The very first question they ask you, how much? So when for a just recreation type of things we are asked like this, how much? So definitely when we are in the industry, we are going to start our businesses, at that time this is going to be the very first question asked by the people, how much you need, why you need. So you should be very clear. And please don't make hefty amount project plans, because the person who is going to evaluate it, he is the doctor of all these things. Why I am using the word doctor? Just to make you remember one thing. People used to say government of India is just playing, they are not providing the loans and all that. I tell you, fake reports used to come. And I have, when I was, as ma'am has given my introduction, he talked about MSME. I tell you guys, when we were at MSME, we used to receive thousands of reports daily. Let's say one project can be settled down in 10 lakhs rupees, and the project report person asks us to give 15 lakh rupees. There should be rationale behind why the 5 lakhs more are needed, because we people know the cost of the machinery, we know which industry he is going to target. So definitely guys, my saying is, please be honest, don't make hefty amounts project plans, those are not going to be approved one. So please pay attention on the features, likewise how you are going to point out the financials, the sales you are targeting. Obviously if you are going to manufacture something, so definitely you have to target. छोटे छोटे एग्जाम्पल्स दूंगी ताकि you should remember. You see a golgappa wala, he used to make just a glass full of golgappas, dry golgappas. He never brings 2 3 4 containers. He know projections ki how much people are going to buy it. Okay, same way when you are going to start your own startup, you should know very well who is going to be my target consumers, early adopters. If they are known very well, definitely your project is going to be the successful one. Next, current business position. It's very much important where the market is moving now. You have to see, are you entering in a competitive world, or you are going to create your own space in the market? Because both situations are quite different. Every time you need a innovation. Use I just share example. When we were student, when I was doing my MBA, at that time floppy used to be the lifeline. Let's say if I missed, so I will ask all my friends, my family and all that, because that was the requirement. My whole data was in the floppy. And if I ask you people, hardly matters to you. In fact, some may don't know about what is the floppy. So what happens, you have to see what is the current business positions, where the market is moving, what will be the future. And guys, remember one thing, give only a specific time to your project. Don't pay more time. because when you are moving in the market, parallelly someone else is also thinking about it. And please never say mera idea chori ho jayega. No, it never happens. You can see in the surrounding in so many products, people are doing same type of things, only the difference how you do it. ओके तो कोई आइडिया चोरी नहीं होता. Nothing happens bad. You should keep your lines longer always. So you have to know the current business positions, where the market stand, what is needed to be done, what type of people should be hired, है ना, and what type of expertise is needed. Sometimes it happens that 60 plus are going to be waste. No, they are not waste. Sometimes their experience is going to play a big role. Okay, major achievement in the sense the industry you are targeting. If somebody has achieved something, what were the reason, what the quality of product they have targeted, what type of man planning they have done. Every time it's not needed that IIT IIMs can do. I tell you guys, you can see online so many people are doing wonders. You have to target. If you want to reduce the cost, come out from IIT IIM. Sorry to say, it should not be narrated, but I tell you guys, this is the best way, because you have to reduce your costs and you have to come out with something new, and you have to make your idea into reality. So major achievement should be conducted, and you have to sit yourself, plan what I want to do, because you are going to be the leader of your own organization on business plan. It's not a play way, it's a planning. Okay, so what I can do, what is my strength, what are my weaknesses, how I am going to achieve this, what type of people are needed in my kitty or my team, how the finances will be achieved, which area should be targeted. Right? Likewise, nowadays agripreneurship is coming up. Once there was a time agriculture was considered nothing. So what is happening? It means we are going back to the rural areas. Tier 1, tier 2 are going to be targeted. So if you are going to start some venture in the rural area, hardly matters, because nowadays transportation has taken a leap. Logistics has become so good. So if you can reduce your cost by moving to the rural area, training the people, so definitely you can take better advantages of the policies which Government of India is launching. So please pay attention on these things, and these all pointers should be included in your executive summary. Now question comes, what will be the size of executive summary? It should never be more than, for the big projects, given 3 pages, because if something is not found in your executive summary so well, nobody is going to read your whole business plan. And it no storytelling is needed. Just be straightforward. What you want to explain, executive summary should contain all those facts. Next comes, it's now starting points. First pager, the project report pager. Second page is the executive summary. The third page comes is the leadership and founding team. Why it's needed? The only thing, because when investor or anybody or the venture capitalist or the person who is going to do merger with you, these people used to do for the business plan. So they also look for what type of people are there in the team. Okay, accordingly they decide ki okay, the project is going to be the success, because they are not going to evaluate you, they are not going to guide you, they are going for the mergers, they are going to provide you the financials. So that's why their mindset of judging or checking your documents is quite different from an evaluator. So what did they used to do? They used to check what type of people are there in the team, what type of experience they carry, are they capable enough to do this work, have they achieved something in this area, or they can do better. Okay, so this is needed when we talk about the leadership team. Then your mission statement and goals, it should be very clear. A very basic example I can give, when you were targeting your college after class 12, you have looked what is the mission of this university, why I go to this university, that university, what is the best in this university. So when as a student you was looking, and you were so young at that time, so why not a professional will look into it. So your mission statement should be clear, what I want to do. You have to set the goals, how those goals will be achieved, what the things you are going to offer in the market, what are your short term goals and long term goals. Long term goals stands for more than 3 to 5 years, because within 5 years every technology used to get obsolete, so we never make the plans more than 5 years. So after third year we start making the changes in it. So you have to set the long term goals, as well as to achieve them there should be periodical goals which are called short term goals. Okay, so this is the part. Next, product offering, product, service and process, whatever you are going to offer. Likewise, I give you a simple example, apps. Okay, let's say I type any word, simple word I am going to type. I used to get so many apps related to it, and now the confusion arises how to select which is the right app for me, because when I am downloading, till the time I am not downloading app, I am not able to understand. So what help us to judge which is the best one? So we go with the reviews. Okay, we know that the people who have given the reviews, we don't know them, but we consider that those are the users. Okay, maybe let's say a product is just taking 5 rating, and when it comes to the negative rating, no ratings are there. Please guys, don't blindly trust them, because as a company owner, I can ask 20 people to give me positive rankings. Okay, and it never happens that product has 100% success rate. आउट ऑफ दिस वर्ल्ड, हमारे पास खुद के पास ही इंडिया में इतनी पॉपुलेशन है, एंड इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू सेटिस्फाई एवरीबडी. सो हाउ कैन अ प्रोडक्ट कैन अचीव 5 रेटिंग्स? If that is there, so definitely the product is should be of global level. Okay, so you have to be very clear, and people are going to judge you by reviews only. I tell you, during our interaction, a person was saying about the product offerings, कि Indians are just thinking how to prepare a new type of samosas and momos, while we look at China and American countries, they are targeting how to achieve the next level of IoT in the area of artificial intelligence. So guys, definitely this is the reason, that's why Indians are having less patents, less success. And on the another myth is there, कि Indians are not successful in their own countries because the main brains used to leave for international countries and largely for America. They are working for that country. That's why success is more in that country. You go to NASA, you go to the big Google or Amazon, you will find 40 to 50% people are Indians. So our main brain has went to there, so how the India will get the success? So guys, it's much important to understand your product offering. You have to bring at that level where the global people are doing. That's why I have given all the explanations, which business domain you are going to touch, how the things are going to be will be available, what the technology you are going to use, what type of people are going to use that, all the application, and how much it is human friendly. Okay, let's say a 60% 60 or 65 age group person, if he is going to use the app, it should be very easy to handle. But if it is difficult one, definitely nobody is going to do that. So you have to see where you stand, what is the stage of yours. Even Government of India, when MSME comes, or the innovation cell and all that comes, they have also set the standards where you stand, level 1, 2, 3, and they goes up. So accordingly, they provide you the assistance. Next comes the innovation introduced. What the new things you are introducing in your product, it should be done very clearly. The success factor of your company, if you have done something in the past, please mention it, whether it is a small one or the big one. Even the class 9 project, because right now you are the student, so class 9 project, whatever you have done in that is also matters. Okay, he is working from that time. So key success factors and uniqueness, why I buy your product. As ma'am has called me, for what? Just for the business plan, not for other things. It means you have to create your uniqueness. I'm not going to talk about technology, I'm just going to talk about business plans. So Definitely, and the expectations are not like ma'am is going to talk about technology. So same thing happens when you come in the market. People also judge you by your characteristic, the USP, unique selling propositions you are offering to the people. So definitely you have to go with it. Details of patents, copyright, it's very much important, guys. I tell you, I can give you a live example. One of the Guinness Book winner came to us. They have made a product for the maintenance, I will use the rather word maintenance of our backbone, and he was having the standing in the Guinness Book. He has participated in business plan competition. He was having a unique product available with him. So when I asked, when he was a part of business plan competition, I asked him very first question, have you patented it? So he said ki no, day before yesterday I have received the letter from Guinness Book and it's available. And he very smartly shown me, ma'am dekhiye, I got 3 million viewers within 3 days. But I was not happy. What I said him, sir, why you have not patented it? Why you have not filed the document? Then he just closed down, and I also closed down the presentation of him. He went outside, he checked, he saw that in China somebody has applied for the patent of his product. So now the product is in lifetime can't be belong to him, because जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स में दिखेगा वही माना जाएगा. So guys, when it comes to the patent, copyrights and IPRs, please don't be मतलब एक तरह से ना lethargy, large word is lethargy. You have to first get it registered yourself. And now Government of India is providing patent within 60 days. The time has reduced from 1 year to 60 days. You can always imagine what the fast process is. And remember one thing, as you file the application, no, and if somebody else is doing that work earlier, then you won't be granted the patent. And if you are going to be the first one and after you somebody files, then the first right will be given to you. So guys, being techies, you have to file the copyrights and patents first, then go for the working, then go for the YouTube presentation and digital media and all that. Before that, please don't showcase to anybody, because it can be copied easily. People are having technologies available with them. Only the thing, what innovation you introduce. So you have to, and detail of collaborations with whom you are partnered. Likewise, I give you example. Now Government of India has made HIs, BIs in every university. As the part of it, you all are interacting with me. So definitely be the part of incubator centers, then then go to the ministries, then go to the global partners. So in such a manner, you have to write about the collaborations. Next comes is the market analysis. What you are offering, what is your market size, how you will target the niche. Everybody has problems. Problem in the sense वो ऐसे नहीं कि पेन हो रहा है वो वाला problem नहीं. No, I want to have the solution. Likewise, a simple example I give you, in the area of milk, and due to pandemic, people become so concerned about health and hygiene. Now people want to have the actual cow or buffalo milks. So what happened, daily delights has come in the light, and they know how to cater the market. So every negativity gives the opportunity to get the success. Okay, go grofers and all that, and local marts, even they have come up online. Even your local kirana owner who is not able to develop the apps, he has made a WhatsApp group of him. If anything needed, please WhatsApp me. I will provide the services within a given time. And I will let you know also how much time will it take. So you have to understand what is my market, what type of peoples are there in my nearby area, and what are the growth potentials available to me. Details of market survey conducted, how many people you have interviewed, because I tell you everything is structured now. You can't play ho jayega kar lenge. No, these are the not the words which are going to lead the market. You have to conduct the survey. You have to understand the pain points for which people are looking for the solutions and what the solution you can provide. Okay, next, demand supply scenarios. You have to check what type of things are going to be utilized by the people. Likewise, in the upcoming areas, you have to see how the government is going to pay attention in 5-year policy. We all talk about that in the last 5 years. Industries have not grown, manufacturing has not done. I tell you, if you check the industrial policy of 15 to 20, there was the scope for the services, and we have seen lots of changes in the service sector. The education system has improved, international medical tourism has improved, people have started considering India as a tourism spot. The banking and insurance has started giving us more access. The international partnership has been done. So definitely that was the era of services. And now next coming 5 year is government of India is going to pay attention on manufacturing. So you have to target accordingly. So what are the target segments? Are they going to be the primary or the secondary? Primary, directly dealing with the industry. Secondary, if the human intervention or public transactions are there, those are considered as secondary market. How much of the market share you plan to acquire in your target segment? See, you can't be a monopolistic market every time. In fact, when Jio was launched, Airtel was kept alive. Rest of the other players have merged themselves, and it's a policy of government of India. MRTP Act is there, where there should always be a competition alive in the market. Okay, so that's why it is needed. You should target your own spaces. You have to look what you can do. What others are doing, it's not your cup of tea. Yes, it's the part of competition, not कि उसने ये कर लिया मैं क्यों नहीं कर पाया. Don't bring the negativity in yourself. Just target what can I do, what betterment I can bring. Okay, positioning your business, it's much needed. I tell you guys, people used to say unemployment is increasing. If you talk to your father, your grandfather, it's not the problem of nowadays, it's from the longer time. But the people who are surviving in the market, they have kept themselves updated according to the requirement of the market. Same thing happens now. How you are going to position your business is much important. Likewise, floppy, if I am going to give somebody floppy, it's going to be a waste of time, money, energy, everything. Why so? Because nobody is having that instrument which can run the floppies. So you have to position your business properly. Distributions, how you are going to give the target markets access. That is, are you going to sell directly, or original equipment manufacturer B2B you are entering, or you are going to be the wholesale distributor, broker, retailers, direct mails. Likewise, direct mail, if you remember, एक फोन आया था which was available through calls only. कौन सा था? Anybody please? Anybody remember this? Although you all are using and you know very well. OnePlus. Anybody remember? Okay, what the strategy OnePlus adopted, what they did, they have saved the cost of warehousing, marketing and everything. They have created sensation in the market. Let's say I am having OnePlus with me, so I will send the invitation to someone else, then they will be able to purchase that phone. So they have built USP in such a manner. They saved all type of cost, and that's why they were able to introduce more features. See, एक हमारे हिंदी में कहावत होती है ना, तेल तो तिलों में से निकाला जाता है. So same thing happens with the market also. No marketer is going to play the game of losses. So definitely some adjustment should always be there, and you have to look on all those pointers what the marketers are doing. Next comes competition. The slide is open in front of you. I give you example, live example of it. There was a time when Pierce was the leading soap in the market, and it was very difficult to change the mindset of people from the winter soap. Pierce means the winter soap, and it was a glycerin soap. The competition given by Dove. When Dove is a US based company, when it come to India, they targeted the, likewise every company used to do, the film stars and all that. They thought that market is going to be enriched by the showcasing of these people. But I tell you guys, it was a big failure in the market. Okay, then they realized what the strategy went wrong. So they come to know कि yes, Pierce is a leading soap in the market, which every household used to have that, and largely middle and upper classes use it. So it's very difficult to break the chain and bring the Dove in the bathroom instead of Pierce. So what they did, they changed the pattern of advertising. They hired some women who used to say, इसको यूज करने के बाद मेरी स्किन सॉफ्ट हो गई. They use this type of taglines. Why? Because now they realize कि film stars are not going to do this, because people realize so well, maybe possible the Dove is not used by these film stars and US company is there, so how these film stars are using it. But when a middle class woman is sitting at home saying like this, so definitely 10 or 20% female are going to change their mindset. And till date, if you think about it and look back, the soap decision is largely taken by the lady of the house. Okay, normally gents hardly puts interest on it. So what happened, guys? You have to see what the competition is available. Before that, Pierce was having monopoly in the market. Then when Dove introduced this type of campaign, so a competition come to Pierce. Now they change their segment. A part of winter soaps, they introduce the summer soaps also. The blue Pierce. They have not changed the design, texture and all that. They changed the color and the pattern. And instead of glycerin, now it was carrying the mints. Okay, because they started feeling now the competition has come in the market, the survival will be difficult for us, so they changed the strategy. Earlier they were targeting only 6 months and now they are targeting whole the year. So in such a manner, guys, it's not compulsory. Why me only? Because I am a new entrant in the market, I will face the competition. People are going to judge me, people are going to say me no, people are going to ask me questions. No, it happens with the brand also, because they have to maintain their levels. Okay, otherwise the things will happen like HMT. Now the HMT is nowhere in the market, and once it was a leading brand in the watches. So what happens, guys? You have to see the competition, what are the existing players, what are the SWOT of your strength, weakness, what are the opportunity available to you. And according to David Acker, he's the best man to guide the competition. He says the reason behind successful as well as unsuccessful firm, and please look why people fail. Understand the reason and rectify those reasons in your plan. Okay, prime customer motivators, major components cost, industry mobility barriers, what the problem can come. Like what Dove has done, that has cleared industry mobility barriers. They realize a simple woman, and maybe the she is the working employee of the company, इसको यूज करने के बाद मेरे बच्चे मेरे को बहुत अच्छा फील कर रहे हैं. So type of sentences are there. So what they were doing, they were entering in the mind of people. So you have to capture the competition. See, pinpointing is very easy task, but bringing your product aligned and the better one is the best task. जैसे हुआ था ना बीच में, there was a case going on between Baba Ramdev honey and the Dabur honey. They were criticizing each other and people were enjoying just. Instead of doing so, better hai my product carry this. You should consider me best because of this. Please bring this thing in your personality when you are going to be an entrepreneur or the startup creator. You should bring your lineup. It hardly matters what people are doing. What you can offer, it matters 100%. Okay, so you should be very careful about it. Next, you have to be ready with the SWOT of your company. And guys, please don't feel bad, negative about W, the weaknesses. You should write them. You should know them. I'm not good in framing the material for my website. So what will happen? You will start looking for the person who can write and who can provide the content for the website. So what will happen? You are going to hire that person. Maybe you are going to outsource it. Till the time the weaknesses are not known, the success can't come. The weak point should be known first. This is the lesson. I'm little bit inclined towards Gita, Ramayana and Mahabharata. I tell you, when Bhagwan Lord Rama was going to build the bridge over the sea, he realized his weakness and he converted his weakness into the strength. And that's why he was able to win the battle. So otherwise क्या था? गए तो हनुमान जी भी थे, गया अंगद भी था. But don't overestimate your powers. Understand what the competition are doing, what are your strength and what others can do, who can be threat to me, and how I am going to create opportunity. You have to collect your all resources. Lord Rama realized my Sena contains Vanar Sena, and he has utilized their skills to carry the products, and he was able to build whole the bridge, है ना, Rama Setu, which we call. So guys, and if that time was doing this type of thing, why we not do at this time? Because we understand the competition is so high in the market. So you have to do the SWOT analysis of your company. You are going to launch very, very diligently, and please allow the arguments to happen among the members of the team, because more argument will be there, then the success will be there. And please don't allow for the conflicts. If something is said, it is for the project, not for the other thing.
Hello.
Hello.
I think ma'am has a network issue. Manjula ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
I think ma'am has disconnected.
We can invite her again.
Okay.
I'll just ask her.
Okay. Ma'am has joined.
Yes. Sorry, ma'am. Actually, some network issues were there. Sorry for interruption. Here comes next is the marketing plan. How you are going to launch the product in the market. As I told you the Dove example, initially they introduced a strategy which was not working properly. They changed the plan and again introduced it. So please don't rely on one-timer thing. Always be ready with the plan B. If something wrong happens, what will I am going to do? This should be ready one. Because when we enter in the market, the scenarios used to get changed. I tell you an example. A student of ours has done. He said, "Ki ma'am, nowadays after pandemic, because students are also doing brainstorming. So what he said ki why not we enter like the dry fruits milk, like it should contain lots of quantity of almonds or the cashews, and sometime it should have some pistache. So what will happen by it, because this COVID has impacted those people largely who were not having the good dietary pattern, and if it is introduced from the very start, so definitely our bones, our immune system will be strong. This was the interaction going on when MBA student was planning. Somehow he was ready with his own prototype and all that. So when he introduced to his peer group, because obviously testing was needed, so he introduced to some of his friends, and the friends have denied his drink. Can you imagine what was the reason behind? The friend said, you are introducing a product which contains lots of elements, lots of cashew. Also, although being the gym freak, we are consuming many type of proteins in our diet, but it never means we will enter in the world of dry fruits. Okay, so one entrepreneur, budding entrepreneur was thinking on an idea, but the friends, the close group, the peer group has denied. No, we are the gym freaks. And should he close down his venture, which he has started by investing a good amount? So what he thought, okay, there may be one category who is going to consume. Who are they? It means the kids and the female who are losing the calcium or protein from there after the age of 40. Okay, so he changed his product and made a new segment, which is either they are the kids and the women who are 40 plus. Okay, the second drink he made from the existing one, which was containing, instead of the regular milk, it was containing the soya milk, which is for the gym freaks. So in such a manner, guys, whenever we are in the market, we have not to rely on one thing. It happens. Okay, so you have to pay attention what the market demands, how the people are going to react. So marketing planning is much needed. And I tell you guys, all the plans like financials, marketing, team, R&D, and launching and all that, maintaining the reputation, when it comes together, they make the industry successful. So please be attentive whatever you are going to do. Finances, I have discussed largely. You have to target for 3 years. You have to work on the break evens. When I am going to bring the break even, I give you example, live example. It happened because we people are largely in these areas. During interaction of the business plan competition, a question was asked by the jury, when will you get the break even? So what happened? The student has invested 10 lakh rupees right now because pandemic has happened. Obviously, everybody has a hit. So he started before lockdown, but his work was going on. So he said ki, I have invested 10 lakh rupees. Now, till date, I have earned 8 lakh rupees. Now, 2 lakhs are just left. So because jury used to play with the participants also. So they said, it means, tell me, have you reached break even or not? The student said, no, sir, I am in the losses of 2 lakh rupees. I tell you guys, he was wrong. He was making profit, but because he lacked knowledge of finances, basic finances. I'm not saying you are going to be the expert of the field, but still it is needed to understand basic finances when you are running an industry. Why he was wrong? And instead of making profits, he said, I am going to for the losses. The only reason, see, some products are there which are having the value for the years. The depreciation is also counted. Okay, it was just a year. So एक आपका Gantt chart बनता है पूरा. So where you plan, let's say I have installed a machinery of 5 lakhs, then within a year, the 10% depreciation will come. So the rate will be 4.5 lakhs. Then in the next year, again 10% depreciation will come. So in such a manner, the depreciation will be counted. So that student was making progress profit in his startup, but because he was not having good hand on the finances, he was not selected, and he made his practice profiting venture into the loss making. And jury was waiting for it, how much knowledge he is containing about the finances. So guys, whenever you are going to start your own venture, you should be strong enough, at least what you are producing. Sit with the CA, understand the basic finance. Don't enter in what the law say, but what the left and right of the balance sheet says, but basic finances should be none. So how much capital investment is needed, how the distribution among promoters and investor will be done, it's more important. See what happens कि when you start, everybody used to be very enthusiastic, milke kaam karte hain types, but when it comes to the problems, out of 5 only 2 used to left in the team. The 3 who have invested, they ask you to return the money whole as a whole. What will you do now? So it's always better. Friendship has made you to work together, but now when it comes to the profession, there should be legal document, there should be partnership of the equity. How much equity will be taken by each friend? Let's say 20%. So if a person is going to leave, so he is only liable for 20%, and that is also on the year basis. Okay, so you have to count in such a manner. Next comes overhead expenses. Some expenses are really hidden, which are not none. This is the list of those. When you are traveling, maintenance and repairs, equipment and leases, rent, advertising and promotion, supplies. Anything you want to know, please ask.
Students, if you have any doubt or you want to ask something, please go ahead. Ma'am, there were some students who were asking about how to approach angel investors.
Okay. Ma'am, I tell you one thing. As I told, angel investors nowadays, it's a complete structured market. Okay. And everybody is not going to finance every type of business. There are the experts of business. So first of all, whenever a student is willing to target a PE or VCs, they are having the stages. Okay. They don't enter as is ki I am having idea, you start funding me. No, it never happens. ठीक है. Likewise, where you stand, stage 1, there are the 5 stages. It's a very big topic. So venture capitalists and PEs enter in according to the stages. What the money you incurred, how the progress is done by you, what you are targeting. So everything is required to be done. Then there is a structured market of PE and VCs. Then accordingly you are going to approach. And we people at ACED also provide the connects to the student after doing complete scrutiny of the startup business plan. Okay, they also, as I told, they ask for the pitch of the idea. Lots of people are available online. Likewise, they will target कि मुझे EV के लिए VCs या APEs चाहिए. So you just write on the net VC/PE in the area of EVs. So there will be a complete list. You go to the LinkedIn, connect with them, share your idea, and if they find their idea good, then they make a call to you. First, they will ask you to submit a business plan of yours. Second, if they are satisfied, whatever work you are going to do, because sometimes happens, likewise, big companies are there who target the student startups. Okay, so accordingly, these private equity players or the angel investors, they enter in, they make a connect between the big industry and the student startups. Okay, so that's why they ask for the complete business plan. Once it is evaluated, second step used to be the pitch the deck. Pitch the deck, they give you time, they ask you some questions which are the very relevant one, and please students don't take it lightly. पता नहीं उन्होंने ऐसा question क्यों पूछा. No, it's not nothing like that. All the questions are connected with each other. Okay, so you have to answer properly. Your you should look like a mature person. You should be very seasoned. You should have a good knowledge of your product. And ऐसा नहीं चलता कि my friends knows. No, if your friends knows, ask him to be together with you. Okay, so this is the process, and by which if you clear all the steps, then they are ready to invest. Okay, online on the LinkedIn, so many PEs are available. So it's not a difficult task nowadays. In fact, now government of India has allowed to interact and merge with the international VCs and PEs also. So not a big deal, guys. You should be very clear, very honest, very serious about your idea and business plan. The points I am narrating, you have to note it down. You have to talk with them. Okay, as because I have narrated 2-3 points which are the negative. Likewise, your weaknesses you have to tell. If a company is getting 5 rating, it can't be possible. All can not be satisfied. How it is happened? So you should be very clear whatever you are producing in front. And मान के चलिए loans मिलते हैं, वेंचर कैपिटल एंटर करते हैं, प्राइवेट इक्विटी प्लेयर्स पैसा देते हैं, एंड पीईज आर लार्जली द ग्रुप ऑफ सीएक्सओज who are the expert of their own areas, who are having 25 plus years experience as a senior personnel of the management of industry. So please don't try to play with them. If you don't know, मुझे नहीं आता. And if you are going to interact with the PEs and VCs, sometimes it happens you book the failures, but failure never means ki you should not approach the other PVCs also. In fact, for the IT people, NASCOM is also providing a platform. So nowadays you should have a zeal to search for the people. The things are available, only the vision is needed to look into that area. ठीक है मैम. So they can connect very easily on the LinkedIn. People are available. Any other question, ma'am?
Any other question, students? Shivam, you had some questions the other day.
Likewise, I just tell you guys importance of business plan. Likewise, Rupal, I don't know Rupal. Okay, but the document she is going to produce to me, that is done by me, and I am going to frame a mindset about Rupal according to the document submitted to me. Okay, so you all have to be very precautionative, because at the day end, outcome matters a lot, and your learning outcome is making a good business plan. So the pointers which I have told you right now should always be kept in the mind, and you have to look for infrastructure and manpower planning also. Infrastructure compulsorily. Likewise, sometimes it happens. I have seen so many people saying Kina, I'm having massive lands available with me. So what happens at that time? VCs used to ask, okay, how much land you own? Second question, what is the price of? Then later on the things comes up, it is not his owned land. He is collecting the land from other people and going to utilize it. So now the next question comes, okay, if you are going to build the infra in such a manner, tell me one thing, how long lease agreement has done with the people who the land belongs to them? Then there is no answer available with the participant. At that time, the project report or the business plan is disapproved. So guys, it's much needed. You have to pay attention. You have to pinpoint every small thing of the business plan. And nowadays one more thing is there. Likewise, a single business plan is not going to work for all the industry. There are industry specific business plans. So you have to target which type of industry you are going to do, whether it is textiles, accessory, food technology, agripreneurship, technology, EVs, आपके area में भी automobiles, and then comes is the mechanical side, civil engineering. Every department is going to have a different type of business plan. These formats are online available. Okay, I tell you, once the digital platform has given you access to so many things, the expectation has also increased.
Hello.
हाँ जी, any other question guys?
No, ma'am.
And one more example I can give, how the companies are rated nowadays. I won't name the company. It is an international example related to the vehicle management automobiles. There was a company which was selling its product with the name of ignition of engine. Okay, let's say कि if you push the button, the engine is going to start within 3 or 4 seconds. This was said by the company as a USP when they were selling their product. So one day a complaint come from customer in the customer care cell stating that my family is having habit to have the ice cream in the night time after the dinner. Okay, ये international example है जब where the temperatures are low. So when we eat vanilla ice cream, the ignition used to be fast, but as we change the flavor, obviously they used to go outside to eat the ice cream. So as we change the flavor, the ignition time used to be 12 to 15 seconds. I don't understand what's the reason behind. If it happens in India, what will be the reply of the engineers, the company, the technological people? क्या कहेंगे हम? बताइए. Anybody please? If it happens in India, what will be the reaction of the company? Ma'am, can you answer?
Can't predict, ma'am.
Our Indian companies are not going to pay attention on it.
Yeah, supposedly.
Largely. Maybe the customer is not having the senses. What is it hardly makes difference whether the engine ignite within the 5 seconds or 15 seconds. But it was an international company. So they have not just let it be types of things. They went to the customer area. They realized yes, there was a problem with the ignition of engine. So how it was related with the ice cream? When it comes to the vanilla ice cream, because it's a common flavor, so the seller of the ice creams used to keep at the front area. Okay. So obviously the person, when the buyer, when it takes the vanilla ice creams, so he comes back fast, and obviously the engine was hot at that time and it ignites very fast. But when it comes to the flavors, because all the flavors are not ready in one go, so sometimes they keep in the backside area, so they open the fridge, they choose the required flavor and bring it to the customer, then customer take it and go back. So this 4 to 5 minute times used to be consumed. So what happens by it? So definitely at that moment, because temperatures are low outside, that's why the engine used to get cooled down, and that's why the ignition time of the engine is high, and that is the difference of 10 seconds. Okay, and see how smartly the things are made internationally. So when it comes to the planning, how the business will move, it's a part of managing the people, your early adopters, your marketing plan used to run on these type of mindset. So what company did? They called back all the cars of that model. They did the changes in the engine and again introduced, and they maintained the sentence which they were saying that the engine will ignite within 5 seconds. So guys, sometimes, see, remember one thing, when you are making the business plan, in presenting in front of anybody, they are not fool ones. Anything which is asked to you, it's the logical one. There may be some reason behind it and you have to adhere it. Why it is asked to me? What was the reason behind? Because you are interacting with the educated experts. Okay, so the customer who has launched the complaint was rectified and it helped to build the better image of the company. So in such a manner, guys, market is so structured. Don't take the things lightly. If you are inclined towards any development, whether you are doing entrepreneurship as your startup or entrepreneurship for your company, be honest, be aligned till the time you are part of it. So business plan always give you structured liners. It help you to communicate the message you want to give so many people. It is framed by the higher ups, but it moves to all the people, the investors, the media, the stakeholders, the customers, your early adopters, and the suppliers also. So business plan should have each and every pointer clear properly. Otherwise, lots of things are going to happen. Okay. Now I would request for the question answers if something is there. And remember one thing, guys, I'm always available at ACED MIT Center for Entrepreneurship Development. You can write us through the ma'ams or the sirs available here to us. We will interact with you. And if you are having zeal to start your own startups, so definitely we people are always available to you. But you should be serious enough. Matlab, it's not only marrying the idea, it's the living the idea. सोते जागते उठते बैठते, the idea should be in your mind. If you are having that zeal, we are having that part to develop your idea into reality. Okay, so now the forum is open to all the participants here. If you are having any question, any query, I am ready to answer.
Students, if anyone has any questions, please ask. Ma'am, if they have any questions later, I'll just email you on your ID, maybe.
Hanji, ma'am.
I was saying if they have any questions later, suppose if they post it later, maybe I can just email you at your
Thank you,
ID.
ma'am.
Okay.
And Okay, ma'am, from my side, it's okay now. Because I have pointed out all the main requirements associated with business plans.
Students, if any type of queries are there, please ask.
Okay, ma'am. Then I think if there are questions later, maybe because they come up with such questions, if that is related to your domain, I'll forward them to you.
Done, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I would like to thank Dr. Garima for being with us on this Saturday morning and sparing her time for this valuable session. It was indeed very informative, and I'm sure that this session would have helped students a lot in their thought process about how to write a business plan. Thank you, ma'am. We look for more sessions with you, and thank you for being with us today.
And I'm always there for Amatians. And if they are going to create their startups, I'm always there 24/7, 365.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you
Thank
so
you, ma'am.
much for giving me platform.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Students will post the quiz later.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, yes. Okay, then. Thank you. I'm winding up the session.